In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under the theory of supply. So we are going to focus on the subtopic meaning, determinants and type of supply, and we have about 18 to 20 repeated questions to practice from the video. Let's get started. The first question here says, increase in supply due to changes in plant size will take place only in the real short run, market period, normal time, long run. So guys, the right answer to this question is option D, which is long run. The next question is this one. It says a set of factors that can shift the supply curve are changes in real technology, price and test, weather, price and technology, population, price and test, technology, weather and population. So guys, the right answer is option D, technology, weather and population. Very important. So price basically does not shift the supply curve. Okay. Next question is, it says when which this is supposed to be which of the following matters may account for changes in supply? We have technology advances in an industry, changes in labor costs, changes in source of supply, changes in levels of taxation. So guys, basically all of them are matters that can account for changes in supply. Next question, this one it says the law of supply states that lower the price, the higher the quantity supply. No, the quantity supply is always equal to the quantity demanded. Higher the price, the lower the quantity supply. No, higher the price, the higher the quantity supply. Yes, option D, the right answer. Okay, next question is this. It says a normal supply curve is usually positively sloped because the relationship between price and demand is negative. Supply and price is negative, demand and price positive, price and supply is positive. Right answer is option D. The relationship between price and supply is positive. Next question is this one. It says use the diagram below to answer this question. So guys, say commodities I and II are in. So from this diagram guys, the commodities I and II are in joint supply. Okay, looking at this supply curve, reinterpret it. This is joint supply. Just take note of it in case it appears again for your question. Next one is this one. It says one of the factors affecting supply of manufactured goods is availability of input, weather, consumer test, technology. So guys, one of the factors affecting supply of manufactured goods is technology. Okay, option D. Alright, so next big question is this one. It says a supply curve slopes upward from the left to the right, indicating a positive slope. A short run supply curve, a negative slope, a backward sloping supply curve. Right answer is option A, indicating a positive slope. Next question is this one. It says an increase in supply is due to all except we have an increase in number of producers, whether increase in cost of production, we have technology. So guys, an increase in supply is due to all except technology is involved, weather is involved, an increased number of producers is involved except an increase in cost of production. That's an exception, option C. Next question, it is when I say the higher the price of a commodity, we have the higher the quantity supplied. Okay, this is basically law of supply, option C, the right answer to this question. Next question is this. It says a vertical supply curve indicates that an increase in price results in an increase in the quantity supplied. There is fixed price for the commodity below which no supply will be made. The quantity supplied is responsive to price. The same fixed quantity will be supplied no matter the price. So the right answer to this question is option D. So it indicates that a vertical supply curve indicates that the same fixed quantity will be supplied no matter the price. Next question, it says the supply curve of a locally produced good may shift to the right if where the price of the commodity increases, there is an increase in taxes on inputs, government increases subsidies, we have rural urban migration is encouraged. The right answer is option C, government increases subsidies. So subsidies helps to reduce price, which brings about increase in production or supply. So the supply curve of a locally produced good may shift to the right if government increase subsidies. So subsidies increment. So subsidy increment reduces price, which directly increases supply or production. Next question is one. It says for a supply curve, an increase in the price of commodity results in and increase the quantity supply. Option C, basic law of supply. Okay, the law of supply simply states that the higher the supply, the higher the price, the higher the quantity supply. The lower the price, the lower the quantity supply. So this is the basic law of supply. Next question is this one. It says palm oil and palm kernel are in well competitive supply. We have joint supply, complementary demand. The right answer is option C, joint supply. The last question for end this video, this one. It says a supply curve is positively slow because I think we have answered similar question. Let's check the option. Price is an incentive to consumers. Demand always exceeds supply. Price is an incentive to producers. Supply always exceeds demand. So guys, the right answer to this question is that a supply curve is positively slow because price is an incentive to what? Producers. Option C. So guys, this basically can do problems involving the theory of supply. Look at the subtopic, meaning determinants and types of supply for your JAMB economics. We practice about 17 to 20 questions for this video. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure the part of the channel membership by clicking the join button so you'll be getting premium information to help you to excel in your exams like your JAMB and other exams you're writing. Alright, having done this, click on the next button. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.